Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share with you the 5 best drinks that can help you lose weight effectively. These drinks not only support fat loss but also provide various health benefits. Let's dive right in. 1. Water with lemon. Starting with the classic, water with lemon. Drinking water is essential for weight loss, but adding lemon gives it a boost. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which helps boost your metabolism and supports your immune system. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning kickstarts your digestion and helps detoxify your body. Plus, staying hydrated keeps you feeling fuller longer, reducing unnecessary snacking throughout the day. 2. Green tea. Next up is green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have been shown to enhance fat burning, especially during exercise. It also contains a small amount of caffeine, which works synergistically with the catechins to increase your metabolic rate. Drinking 2-3 cups a day can help you shed those extra pounds more effectively. Plus, green tea has numerous other health benefits, like improving brain function and reducing the risk of certain diseases. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Drink. Third on the list is apple cider vinegar, diluted in water. Apple cider vinegar is known for its acetic acid content, which can help reduce belly fat by improving metabolism and reducing insulin levels. To make this drink, mix 1-2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. Drink it before meals to help control appetite and promote a feeling of fullness. Remember to start with a small amount to see how your body reacts, as it's quite potent. 4. Black coffee. Moving on to black coffee. Coffee is a well-known metabolism booster, thanks to its caffeine content. It helps increase your energy levels and can enhance your workout performance, leading to more calories burned. Drinking black coffee before exercise can improve fat burning. Just make sure to skip the sugar and cream to keep it calorie-free. If you're sensitive to caffeine, limit your intake to avoid disrupting your sleep. 5. Herbal teas, like ginger or peppermint tea. Last but not least, herbal teas like ginger or peppermint tea. Ginger tea is great for digestion and helps reduce hunger, while peppermint tea can help control cravings and soothe the digestive system. Both are caffeine-free, making them perfect for sipping throughout the day or before bed. Herbal teas are also a great way to stay hydrated while enjoying a variety of flavors that support your weight loss journey. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the 5 best drinks to help you lose weight. Water with lemon, green tea, apple cider vinegar drink, black coffee, and herbal teas. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine can support your weight loss efforts and contribute to overall health. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.